Top oven or bottom oven? Which one should you use? Each cavity is designed for different jobs. Here's how to choose the right one and get the best results. Top oven, quick and focused. The top oven heats up fast and is ideal for quick functions. Use it for toast, bagel, broil, and small bakes where speed matters and portions are smaller. Because it preheats quickly, the top oven saves energy for short cooks. It's also perfect when you only need 1 or 2 servings. Bottom oven, large and versatile. The bottom oven is your main cooking chamber. It has more space and better airflow for air fry, air roast, convection bake, pizza, and full roasts. Use it for bigger meals, sheet pan dinners, and anything that needs extra room. Both ovens, Smart Finish or Match Cook. When you want to cook 2 different dishes and have them end together, press Smart Finish after setting both ovens. You'll sometimes see hold on the faster oven. That's normal when Smart Finish syncs the end time. If you need more of the same dish, use Match Cook to mirror settings across both cavities. Accessories, match the oven. Top oven, 1 rack position, sheet pan always sits on the wire rack. Bottom oven, basket on the upper rack, sheet pan on the lower rack. Never put the sheet pan directly on the elements. For crisp airflow in the bottom oven, use a roast tray on top of the sheet pan. I've linked the one I use in the description. Tip: use size to your advantage. Choose the top oven for quick jobs and the bottom oven for bulk. Running both at once saves time, especially with Smart Finish syncing the end. If this helped you understand which oven to pick, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a roast tray for the bottom oven, I've linked the one I use below. It lifts food for better airflow and crisp results. Thanks for watching, and cook smarter with the right oven every time.